In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF with clickable links in Figma. If you want someone viewing your design to open a full document with a single click, this simple workflow will do the job. We'll host your PDF online using a Flipbook service, then attach that share link to text inside your Figma file. No plugins, no code, just a clean, reliable link that works across devices. Start by opening the Hazine Flipbook website in your browser. Hazine takes your PDF and turns it into an online flipbook, which gives you a straightforward link you can share. When the page loads, click the Upload button, then use the file picker to locate your PDF on your computer and select it. Larger files or PDFs with many images can take longer, so don't worry if it isn't instant. Now wait patiently while the site uploads and processes your document. Keep the tab open and avoid refreshing or navigating away during this stage. It's normal for the progress to pause for a moment on big files. Just let it run until it completes. When it's finished, Hazine will move you to the next screen automatically. Once your flipbook is ready, click Share Flipbook. You'll see a shareable URL. This is the link you need. Copy the regular share link to your clipboard. If you see options like embed codes, ignore those for now. The plain link is what works best inside Figma. Switch over to your Figma file. Find the text in your layout that should become the clickable link. Many people use a clear call to action like open the PDF, but use whatever fits your design. Click to select that text layer. On the right side of the Figma interface, in the design panel, look for the link icon that resembles a small chain. Click it, paste the Hazine link into the field, and apply the change. You can link an entire text layer or just a specific word or phrase. Both work the same way. That's it. The text in your Figma design now contains a live link that opens your hosted PDF flipbook. Viewers can click it to access the full document in their browser, which keeps your design tidy and removes the need to email attachments. For clarity, use concise, descriptive link text so people know exactly what they're opening. To recap, you uploaded your PDF to Hazine, copied the share link, and attached it to text in Figma. Quick, clean, and effective.